Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi guys, so for today we're going to attend a Love and Deep Space Chinese inspired wedding, and this is my makeup for today. I really love my eye makeup today. I feel like a Chinese drama actress. So the event was held at Hugo Studio in QC, and as you can see, ang gaganda ng banner sa labas, and this is what it looks like inside. Ayan yung mga wedding booth ng per LI. May food na din kasama. Kasama siya sa binayaran, guys.
Kami po ay order ng siomai. May siomai, tapos dito siopaw, hotdog, and drinks. Oh, cutie!
There's a screen in front that's playing the Love and Deep Space videos, so you won't get bored inside while waiting. And there are also candies and sweets. It's free, guys. Kuha lang kayo dyan. Ang cute kasi, meron ditong candy na LI. Like yung chibi ng LI. And I got Caleb, of course, my baby. Ito yung display booth nila where they put the prizes. Oh, cutie, diba? Ayan yung mga myth nila. Akala ko kasama sa prize, hindi pala. Display lang siya. And this is the ceremonial things, the teacup and the marriage certificate. So, gagamitin later.
Hindi kasha mali.
Our host for this event is Viper. Grabe, ang cool ng cosplay niya.
Hello?
I won a mouse pad sa raffle. Grabe. And this is our wedding picture para sa marriage certificate later. This is it, the Lincoln City Hall certificate and my wedding ring. And of course, the LIs. The host is explaining that the LIs will approach you and propose to you on the spot, then lead you to the marriage booth. And I will show my experience, guys. Grabe, grabe talaga.
Wait lang po. First time ko po ikasal eh. Hindi ko alam. Sorry.
After the wedding, they gave us a cupcake and played some games. So, kapag ikaw yung nanalo, makukuha mo yung baby nyo ng LI mo. And I won. And this is my reaction.
Whatever. Fancy your fish baby or whatever. May anak na ako!
After the games, they gave us free time to take some pictures with the LI, and this is me with Silas and his famous one-hand carry. Yes. And this is me with Zayn, and my fishy Raphael, and my picture with all of them. These are my items from the loot bag and the freebies that I got. Grabe guys, ang dami. Sulit na sulit yung event and I enjoyed it so much. After the event, sayang naman yung handphone namin. So sinulit namin. Nag-rent kami ng studio to take some pictures. So this is sa Cubao Expo. saglit lang siya, 20 minutes lang. And then, ayan, self-shoot studio siya. We'll post the results na lang in another video. Pero eto yung BTS namin while doing the shoots. Thank you, girls. Thank you sa pagsali sa event and feeding my delulu. Ayun, till next time, guys. Bye-bye.